Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when you cannot change to a different account on PS Remote Play. So if you would click here on the gear icon and you would sign out of your account. After that, if you would try to sign in to a different account, you wouldn't be able to do that. You will only be able to do the same to the same account. So now all you need to do is actually go ahead on the search bar, write down run. Then you want to write down local app data %, click OK. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see Sony Corporation, open it. You will see PS Remote Play file folder where you will have the catch file and the bin file of data. All you need to do is delete this PS Remote Play folder. And after that, once you will launch PS Remote Play, you will need to sign into your PlayStation account. And now you can go ahead and enter your other account. You will not need to do this every single time. You can go ahead after this, sign out of it, and then sign into another account. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.